2014 Paper 2, Question 1. We're going to add up a graph page and we're going to see if we can construct this diagram that's given to us. We're not given any equations yet, but we are given the points, so let's just plot those points. If I do menu, geometry, points and lines, and point, what I can do is I can just put a point at the origin. It's easy enough. Point B, I can just press open brackets, type 5, press enter, 2, press enter. And for point A, I can open up a set of brackets, type 3, press enter, 0, press enter. And I'll press escape to go out of that. Now, I'm just going to enlarge this diagram by relocating it and stretching things out like so. If I want to put a label on these points, I'll go over them, press Control menu, I'll label that point B. I'll similarly over there Control menu and label that point A. So we have a diagram. Now we're told to work out the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Well, if I do menu, geometry, construction, I've got perpendicular bisector. If I choose point A and I choose point B, this line that's just turned up, that is the perpendicular bisector. So I'll just press escape. If I go over it and press Control menu, the equation of this line is y equals negative x plus 5. So that should check with any algebra you may have done. The median from A has equation y plus 2x equals 6. Let's plot that. So I can do graph entry edit. I can use just the equation of a line. And the equation I've been given doesn't have y as a subject. I could probably use this line standard one. And so it's looking at the coefficient of x, which would be 2, the coefficient of y, which would be 1, and the value on the end, which would be 6. There is the line which it's referring to. It's the median from A. And we've got to find the point of intersection of this median and the perpendicular bisector of AB. So effectively, where does this black line meet this blue line? Well, it looks as if it might end up meeting up here. So if I just extend it upwards, like so, and then move the diagram down, I'm looking to find that intersection point. So I can do menu. If I do analyze graph, I don't know if it'll do intersection because that is a one function, but this isn't another function, so I haven't got a second graph. So what I have to do instead, geometry, points and lines. If I do intersection and do that line with that equation, I then do get the intersection point. So this is a geometry-based issue. If I go over that point and press Control menu and get its coordinates and equations, I can see that these lines meet at the point 1, 4. So that's the point T. I suppose I better label it as T. So I'll go over it, press Control menu, label it as T. And we're being asked to find the angle that AT makes for the positive direction of the x-axis. So we're trying to work out the angle in this point where the cursor is. So I can do menu, geometry, measure, and then angle. I can pick the point T, I can pick the point A, I can pick some point somewhere on the right along the x-axis, and it seems as if I have an angle of 117 degrees. If I move over that, I can relocate it. If I want to see a bit more accuracy, I can just press the addition key, and that shows me some more decimal places should I require it. So 116.6 would be an appropriate approximation for the angle that AT makes with the x-axis. We're done.